Have you ever pondered on the importance of estate planning and how it secures a legacy for future generations? Today, we delve into the significance of this often overlooked aspect of financial planning. In the current financial landscape, the concept of generational wealth is gaining traction. Financial planners emphasize the role of life insurance as a crucial tool in building and securing wealth for future generations. Life insurance, when used strategically, can provide not only financial security, but also flexibility for the generations to come. Yet the journey doesn't stop at acquiring life insurance. Estate planning plays a pivotal role in ensuring the effective transfer of your assets to the next generation. Having a properly executed will is not just a legal formality, it's a practical step towards preserving your legacy. In the world of the ultra-rich, estate planning takes on a whole new dimension. Exclusive events hosted by the likes of Denny Chard, the founder of DC Finance, provide a platform for wealthy families to network, share stories, and make deals. These conferences focus on a multitude of topics, including the importance of estate planning and wealth transfer. In the face of a potential recession, job security becomes less certain, and the role of estate planning becomes even more critical. Companies are challenging employees' preferences for remote work, and some are even threatening layoffs without severance for non-compliance with return-to-office mandates. In these uncertain times, having a secure financial plan, including a well-executed estate plan, could be a game-changer. In conclusion, estate planning is not just a matter of legal and financial necessity, it's about securing your legacy for future generations. Whether you are part of the world's wealthiest or working towards building your wealth, estate planning is an essential tool in your financial arsenal. Remember, the legacy you leave behind is not just about wealth, it's about providing security and flexibility for the generations to come.